The first part, basic correction. 1. Tool Galvoparam. Setting, cancel all reversals and exchange. 2. Tool laser correction. 3. Ray correction ratio mode. Number 4. Side length equals the actual galvanometer maximum range. 4. Place the marking card in the focus position below the galvanometer and click the square marking. The typed figure is shown in the picture. Sometimes the printed figure is mirrored, and the position can be judged by the text. Measure the length of the corresponding line segment and record that PS. ALB1C1D1 is the distance from the outer circle to the center, layer by layer, and a 4B4C4D4 is the distance from the innermost circle to the center. 5. Fill in the measured value in the corresponding form, click to confirm. 6. Repeat 2 to 3 times until the measurement error is controlled to 0.1 mm. 7. Barrel correction. Click the correction mark first. The resulting graph is shown in the figure below. Measure the concave and convex degree of the four sides of the outer frame and record the corresponding direction. The initial state is generally concave in the x direction and convex in the y direction. 8. Fill in the corresponding input box with the bump of each edge just measured and adjust it several times until each edge is straight. X direction. The larger the value, the more convex the printed figure. Y direction. The larger the value, the more concave the typed figure. Final correction effect. The first part of the correction is complete. Click the controller archive.